Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another hair growth video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this magic hair growth oil that is going to grow your hair in weeks, and I'm going to be using very common ingredients. If this sounds like what you're interested in, keep watching this video and of course like this video. So guys, to make this hair growth oil, I'm going to be using papaya, also known as pawpaw. Papaya is very good for our hair, for our health, is good for even our skin. So I am going to be using half of the papaya to make this hair growth oil, and of course you can tell that I'm going to be eating the remaining half because this fruit is super yummy. So I am going to be using every part of this papaya to make this hair growth oil, because we already know that every part of papaya, both the skin, the seed, they are all medicinal. So I'm not going to be throwing anything away. I am going to be using every part of this fruit. To help with the blending, I'm cutting them into smaller pieces so that my blender can easily blend the skin. So I am going to go ahead and blend my papaya. I'm going to be adding olive oil to this blender to help with the blending. I'm not going to be adding any water to this treatment. And you will notice that I divided the papaya into two equal parts. So the first part is the one I'm making in this video, which I am going to be using olive oil. And the remaining part, I'm going to be infusing that with grapeseed oil because the person is allergic to olive oil. So I am going to be infusing our hair growth oil with grapeseed oil while I'll make my own with olive oil. So guys, after blending, this is what we have. Can you see how colorful and creamy this is looking? So guys, I am going to get my saucepan and transfer the blended mixture into my saucepan. So my consistency was so thick, so I decided to add 1 cup of olive oil to lighten up the consistency because I don't want my mixture to get burnt while I'm going to be eating it up. So guys, this is what it looks like after eating up the papaya for 5 minutes. I discovered that the papaya is still very fresh, so I am going to heat it up for extra 10 minutes to dry up the papaya. So guys, after heating up her papaya oil for a total of 20 minutes, this is what we have. You can see the papaya is totally dried up and this is very hot, so I am not going to be touching this right now. I'm going to be setting this aside till it's completely cooled down. So guys, I got really busy, so I left my mixture till the next day, and this made the straining very much easy for me because you can see the oil has separated from the particles. So I am just going to go ahead and strain this now using my wick cap because I don't want to have any particles in my oil. I went ahead to double my wick cap. So guys, while we are going to be straining this, I'm just going to go ahead and share with you all some benefits of papaya for hair care. Papaya helps to prevent alopecia and also promotes healthy hair growth. It contains folic acid, which is very good for healthy hair growth. Papaya also enhances the circulation of blood and it also nourishes the hair follicles to allow the growth of new hair. Because of its antimicrobial properties, it helps to prevent several infections that can damage your scalp. Papaya also controls dandruff. One of the major causes of dandruff is fungal infection, and papaya is antifungal, which makes it great to cure dandruff, itchy scalp, dryness, flaking, and other scalp issues. Papaya also conditions the hair. It provides shine and also stimulates collagen production. There are other benefits of papaya, so I'm going to leave you guys to do a little research on that. And guys, over here our oil is ready and you can see how colorful this is looking. My camera is not doing justice to the video I have right here. Like, it's so colorful, it's so clear and bright, and this is going to do so well on your hair. I'm going to be using this to make hair growth butter. I'm going to be adding the oil to my shampoo, my conditioner, and I'm going to film another video showing you guys how to use this oil. Till I see you all in my next video, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye guys.